Calinog, which according to legend Datu Marikudo chose to settle, is strategically located in the central part of the island of Panay. Calinog was already a developing community when the Spaniards came between the 16th and the 17th century. In the early 18th century, Calinog was established as a permanent settlement following the system of town planning as prescribed by the law of the Indies. A town plaza surrounded by the church, municipal tribunal, school and public market. This remains as the main town planning feature of the población until the present. The Spanish colonial government then declared Calinog as pueblo, or town, in 1763, a new colonial power. The Americans introduced important changes in the civil affairs of the municipality in the early 1900s. The most significant was annexing Calinog as part of the municipality of Passi, now a component city of Iloilo, from 1904 to 1920. Through intense lobbying by prominent leaders, Calinog was restored to its original status as a separate municipality in January 1921. It was in the late 1960s when Calinog stepped on the springboard of development as a progressive municipality, bustling with business and economic opportunities. In 1969, with the sugar industry boom, the political leadership decided to split a portion of the town into a separate municipality, the municipality of Bingawan. Among the founders of the old communities, the uplands were the descendants of the families who fought the abusive Spanish colonizers in the settlements of Bugasong and Lawan, province of Antique, in the 16th century. Their colorful folklore and the oral tradition of their historical journeys became a part of the timeless epic. Hinilawod, Madiladila in Barangay Alibunanis, best remembered as a stronghold of Filipino guerrillas and soldiers during World War II under the command of a Calinonian Major Julian C. Chavez, where the fiercest battles in the Analsof War in the island of Panay were fought against the Japanese Imperial Army. The town got its name from the Hiligaynon word Calinog, which means calm or placid, but some might say it is from Linog, or an earthquake, given the fact that the town lies near the West Panay Fault. The town of Calinog nestles in the central part of Panay Island. It is the last municipality in the central part of Iloilo province, which adjourns the province of Capiz. It is located at geographical coordinates 11, Deji 15 latitude and 110 D longitudes. It has a total land area of 27,446 hectares, representing about 5% of the total land area, 532,297 of the entire province. Calinog is 58 kilometers 36 mi from Iloilo City and 75 kilometers 47 mi from Roxas City.